Hi, today I'm running the HONOR X7A and I'll show you how to activate Hey Google with Google Assistant option on this device. So first launch Google application and then tap on the right upper corner, click to the settings and tap to voice section, then click to voice match. And then you'll see here Hey Google option switcher. Just click on the switcher to activate it, tap to next, yes I agree, and click to continue. Now we can see that the Hey Google option successfully activated. So if you want an assistant to recognize your voice, you should just add your voice model. So click here, retain voice model, repeat after the assistant, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.